Hi guys, and welcome back to another video drive project. Here I will show you how to replace your tie rods. Before you watch this video, subscribe now. But before that, I also have some other videos of this Corolla which can help you in your car problems. Just check the link in the description box below. Start by spraying some penetrating fluid. Next, remove the cotter pin with the long nose pliers. Use a 70mm socket or wrench to remove the nut. Loosen the nut a little bit and leave it there. Hit it with a rubber mallet several times. This method could take a while. Once it pops out, inspect the tie rods. There you can see that the tie rods is loose, which has a lot of play. The rack end is still in good condition, so there's no need to replace it. It is normal if the rack end falls. Unless it has a clearance by pushing or pulling, then it is in bad condition. This is a preview of a steering without equal ratio. It has a shorter left ratio and a longer right ratio. The owner was having difficulties when it comes to maneuvering. This usually happens when the alignment of the wheels and suspension wasn't done properly. Loosen the nut using an adjustable wrench. It's okay to loosen it this way since the tie rods will be replaced. Now it's time to adjust the tie rods. Adjust it by small measures. Rotate it twice. Since the steering to the left is shorter compared to the right, I will adjust this left tie rod by twisting it counterclockwise. Do the same thing to the other side, but do it clockwise. Always adjust both sides with the same rotations but opposite direction. If you do it counterclockwise on the left, then it should be clockwise on the right, and vice versa. In this way, you won't mess the steering alignment while adjusting the steering ratio. Since the steering wheel is intact, it will still have the same result no matter how many times you adjust it. Quick solution is to put an electrical tape. The tape guides you to have a straight steering position. Or remove this little screw to gain access to the nut and remove the steering wheel. Take time to read this important reminder. I removed the little screw and pulled the horn terminal. Then, lock the steering wheel before loosening the nut. Grab a 90mm socket and loosen the nut. Then unlock it and straighten the steering wheel. Use the tape as your guide. Loosen the nut a little bit and pull the steering wheel. The purpose of leaving the nut is to prevent the steering wheel from accidentally hitting your face. Use the tape again as your guide and carefully realign the steering wheel. Check if the steering wheel is straight. Reinstall the nut and tighten it. Don't tighten too much because you might need to readjust it again. You can keep the horn button aside. This is now the result of the adjustment. It is a lot better than before. Here is the tie rod that my customer bought. 555 is a great Japanese brand and widely used by car manufacturers. The tie rod comes with a new cotter pin. Remove the old tie rod. Be sure not to move the lock nut when you install the new tie rod so that it will have the correct adjustment. Clean the threads and put some grease. Carefully install the tie rod. But before installing the tie rod to the hub, clean the surface. Remove some rust. Check the surface for any sharp edges. If it is smooth, put some grease. Do it on the threads of the tie rod too. Then install the tie rod. Do it on the other side too. Remove the sharp edges using a sandpaper. I will be doing a final adjustment. Don't forget to adjust the markings for accurate measurement. Once you get the right adjustment, realign the steering wheel. Now that the steering wheel has equal ratio, tighten the tie rod snug. Don't forget to tighten the lock nut too. To tighten it, grab another adjustable wrench and hold the tie rod to keep it from twisting. Install the collar pin. Make sure to lock it properly. And now we're finished. Be sure to check everything before testing the vehicle. I also have another videos about replacing control arms, ball joints of this car, and more. Just check the link in the description box below. I hope you appreciate it and find this helpful. Subscribe now for more videos. Don't forget to hit like and click the notification bell to keep you guys updated whenever I release a new video. Thank you very much and God bless.